Meaning of fioritura.
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 Fioritura. Fioritura is an Italian term that refers to the decorative and often elaborate embellishment or ornamentation found in Baroque music. These embellishments typically involve fast, intricate melodic runs and arpeggios, as well as trills, turns, and other ornamental flourishes. The overall effect of fioritura is to add complexity and ornamentation to a piece of music, as well as to showcase the virtuosity and technical skills of the performer. When performed skillfully, fioritura can elevate a piece of music to new heights of beauty and complexity.